The Madras High Court on Monday ordered the arrest of Additional Director General of Police H.M. Jayaram in connection with the abduction of an 18-year-old boy in Tamil Nadu's Tiruvallur district. Justice P. Velmurugan issued the directive, asserting that no public servant is above the law. Jayaram was taken into custody shortly after exiting the court premises.
Because in Tamil Nadu, even an inspector or anybody in a constable post also who's been conducting kangaroo courts or kanta panchayat, what we say, has never been taken action on. So we know what happens with them. There's a lot of political people involvement, but this is the first time I'm really happy that if at all Mr. Jayaraman was involved in the trafficking of the boy's brother, then obviously this warrants an arrest, and it's an historic move by the High Court.
During the same hearing, Kilvaidinankuppam, SC, MLA Poovai M Jagan Moorthy faced sharp criticism from the bench. The judge accused the legislator of misusing political clout, obstructing a lawful investigation, and inciting mobs to prevent police action. "You are not an ordinary person," the judge said sternly. "You are behaving like a third-class person." The court rebuked Moorthy for conducting kangaroo courts and failing to serve the very people who voted him into power. Justice Velmurugan refused to grant anticipatory bail to the MLA and instructed him to cooperate fully with the investigation. He warned of strict consequences if the legislator continued evading law enforcement. The court was informed that Jagan Moorthy fled from his Andersonpet residence over the weekend as a DSP-led team attempted to arrest him. Hundreds of his supporters allegedly blocked access to his home, intensifying tensions. He remains untraceable, with 15 special police teams currently deployed to locate him. The case stems from the alleged abduction of a teenager whose elder brother had married a woman from Theni district against her family's wishes. According to the complaint filed by the boy's mother, a group of men entered their Kalambakkam home on 10th May in search of the elder son. Failing to find him, they allegedly kidnapped the younger boy, pretending to be police officers. The abductors later released him near a hotel, using a vehicle registered to ADGP Jayaram. 5 individuals have been arrested so far, including the abducted woman's father, 2 of his relatives, a lawyer, and a dismissed policewoman. During interrogation, all 5 reportedly admitted they were acting on the MLA's instructions. The bench came down heavily on the interference of politicians in police operations. "You should be a role model. Let people know what their votes are doing," the judge declared. "Democracy is in a bad situation when this is what elected leaders do."
This is a very good diversion tactics that the DMK government or anybody associated with this government has devised to take the attention off from the police department, of the Tamil Nadu police administration, and direct it towards a Dalit leader. So this is something which strikes me right now while talking, and I think this is this is human rights violation, because he was not even given a summon. Mr. Poovai Jagan was not even given a summon. So what we have to do is, this is very important, that we have to talk about the human rights of the victims, because police are involved in kangaroo courts is what the court says. So end of the day, we have to talk for the victims. We have to talk about people associated with this police and how they could be framed for what the police done.
AIADMK leader and opposition head Edappadi K. Palaniswamy called the attempted arrest political vendetta by the DMK-led government. He alleged that alliance partners were being coerced, but the court stood its ground. "If 2 people marry, let them. Let the police and courts handle any complaints. This is not politics, this is lawlessness," Justice Velmurugan said, reaffirming the court's commitment to justice.